your line, kausap mo si Amanda dyan, kaya nakalagay GD. Galing. Tignan mo, mami.
Kasi nagugutom na ako.
Look at this. Bilhin mo na. On the way home, sarahan na kami ng mall. Kaya lang ngayon. Actually, late na nga nagsara yung mall. Nasarahan pa rin kami. Just gonna meet Gab quickly because I have pasalubong for him. And I also need to get something from him for my shoot tomorrow. Guys, nasa instruction kasi namin na mag-ano kayo, na mag-uniform muna kayo para iwas hassle.
Sorry.
Hindi nyo binabasa yung instructions namin.
Sorry!
Binabump na yun.
Sorry! I blame Rain.
Magkakawalan na kami.
Leader! Pamama namin!
Napapakakit sa labas yan.
Na para bang sobrang... Can you do my vlog? Sige. Oh my God, your hair looks so clean.
Bakit sa arawan?
Say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe. Insert it here. Pinag-edit mo pa ako.
Bumili na ako dito kanina eh.
Sabay mo.
Ano sa'yo, beef?
Kung ano sa'yo.
Dalawang beef meal po.
Sa mga new hire, dapat alam nila yun. Dapat para hindi sila nahihirapan sa mga work na gagawin nila. Okay.
Uwi na rin ako eh.
Bye! Vlog! On the way home, pasakay na ng aking service. My Mami She. Anong masasabi mo sa vlog ko, Mami She?
Yeah, maganda yan. Gamitin natin yun sa ano.
Yeah,
sa
habang
Christmas
nag-ride.
party tayo. At akala ko sa... sige, sige.
Oo.
Gi.
Sabi nga ni
Ano
ate,
kayo doon?
nakaganyan lang, wide na siya eh.
Wait na ba siya?
Yes.
Okay.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that. Going Nakikinig ako.
May kasama ko to, ha? Hindi siya magganyan-ganyan, ano? Siya pasinuno.
Totoo naman din kasi. Guys, may late na ako. 5:25. I haven't even eaten anything. So, it's the fit. My fit is eating, but ako hindi. Meron.
Just thanks for 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Sige, thank you. 3 minutes pa daw, guys. So, may isa pang bilihan ng pizza dito. Gusto ko talaga ng pizza, guys.
Ay, may tawa-tawa kayo po sa tinidor mo.
Thank you. Say hi. Sana naman. Lagi na lang.
Grabe naman, nagkatawa ka naman. Grabe ka, ha?
Ala, hindi ka naka-helmet.
Ay, dyan lang naman eh.
Nako. Guys, pinapagalitan niya pa ako. Hindi daw ako nag-anti-histamine.
Kasi ano yan, allergy yan.
Ingat! Hey, to the vlog.
Kapag baka kahit ang kain yan.
Kaya nga, wala pa nga. May Marcos! Ano ba? Ito ba siya? Ano ba?
Kami rin, hindi natin makapos natin.
Self-serve dito. Hindi lang kasi pag self-serve. Wow!
Kaya na mag-ibang natin. Kaya na
Magalaw nga yung bibig niya kapag nagkakalit. Galing. What the hell?
Aking batch puro animated na naman.
Yay! Are you happy?
Of course, I'm happy. Thank you for going.
I love you.
I love you. Now, let's go to your Pokemon.
Let's go to Pokemon!
Wait, Pokemon ba talaga siya?
No, it's just puro branded stuff. So we're going to another event. We're going to a total of 3 events. The first is that event for the Transformers. Second is for Pokemon naman sa Annex. And then last is yung Toy-Con. That's not gonna be here. It's gonna be
Mega Mall.
sa Mega Mall yan, guys. Ito ba? Annex. So I keep seeing people wearing Pikachu hat, and I figured it's about an event. And then I saw on Facebook, there is an event!
Sinabit lahat. I think like Funko Pop siya. Funko Pop version.
Guys, we're here!
Lahat sila may hawak na ganun.
An item.
Ay, dito pa tayo.
Hello! O, ba't din?
Ni. Kanina, record mo na nandun tayo sa Transformers.
Doon nga ako nakapag-record. Wow!
Going back to Honolulu. Just see it. Wow.
We're here!
Well, not yet. Sa Mega Mall pa lang.
We're here! Hey guys! So, ayun, nakita nyo na. So, I was lowballing someone and he didn't say yes. So, I left. And then, napila niya ako bigla ulit. Like, nasa ibang stall na ako, malayo na. Sabi niya, oh, bibigay ko na sa'yo. Sige, 800 na lang. And then I was like, oh, really? Because the original price is 1.5 and that's kind of expensive for this. So, hindi kita natanggap. So, 1,000 na lang daw. So, no, 800 lang kaya ko. 800. Because I saw somewhere online, this was around 800. Anyway, so we are done and we're on the way to eat. We're on our way to go get some food because the last time I ate was around 2 p.m. and it's now 9 p.m.
Sinipalo niyo akin dito.
Sino ba nagulat mo?
Ito na bunot mo rin.
Guys, Saturday nga pala, kaya ang daming tao. Sabi nila Daisy.
Sila?
Daisy. Tenji, say hi to my vlog.
Ah.
Terika, say hi to my vlog. Sup? Sup? So, we're eating lunch. We're eating lunch.
Lunch namin ngayon.
10 p.m.
10 p.m. talaga nga.
10 p.m. lunch.
Alam mo, yung palang ako ulit.
Or cookies and cream.
Kaya basag na eh.
Oo.
Talaga, kain ka.
Yung karang po.
Ikaw pa talaga tatawa dyan.